Good morning, guys. I could imagine it's currently about 0 degrees Celsius and we are on the sideline of Tsukuba Circit just in time for time attack. As you can see behind me, there is an FDR X7 there. It's mental. I'm here with Yashio factory, so here with Okachan and his pink S15 time attack car. Right behind me is a Civic. Oh, I am absolutely over the moon. There was an RX-7 that was driving before and it was crazy. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day. So Sam actually brought me down here today, and this is the car we're pretty much gonna have the GoPros on. I'm gonna be spectating all morning or pretty much all day. This right here is Okachan's Yashio factory S15, pretty much built for time attack. This thing is absolutely insane. I'll let Sam explain a bit more about it, but yeah, this thing is so intense. I can't wait to hear it start up and see how it goes on the track. Before we go out racing, I wanted to quickly film some of the cars here because there is a massive array of different cars. There's GTRs, there's Porsches, there's Civics, there's Hachirokus right here. Look at this. Oh man, that's so cool. So it's parked up, but I'm not quite sure that this thing is going to go on the track. That is, oh wow, it's got a number and everything. R34 GTR. That thing is so beautiful. Oh man. This right here, a wide body NA Miata. Look at the wing on it. Oh my god, that is immense. FD RX-7 right here. This thing is immaculate. Oh, this is just incredible. As I said before, two Hachirokus right there. R35 GTR. I got a JZ A80 Super right there as well. Looks like a massive single turbo 2J right there. That is beautiful. Civic, Porsche S15. There's an Evo. Oh, I'm gonna say, wait, 5? Maybe? Evo 5? Check out this yellow FD right here too. This thing is incredible. Wow, that is incredible. Man, check out this wrap on this FD. It's almost like that psychedelic wrap. It looks so different in person. It's over the entire car. That's wicked. I love seeing so many FDs out here. Oh man, there's so many. There's one there, RX-8 behind it. There's two FDs over there, another yellow FD. There is like, I think I've counted 15 so far. That's awesome. Check out the aero on this Evo right here. Hood vented wastegate. Oh man, these are the most insane builds that I've ever seen in the world. And look at this aero. Oh my god, this is just insane. And a casual R32 GTR, all ready to go. It's got some massive big Volt T37s on the rear. Oh man, this is awesome. So this up here at Tsukuba Circit actually gives you like a massive big appreciation for this track. So pretty much come up this straight right here, all the way up, goes to this first corner up here, which is a really, I could imagine when you're going fairly fast, a fairly tight hairpin. Comes all the way around, all the way down the back here, and then goes off and sort of does a little bit of a sort of section down there, which is really cool. Comes around and all the way back into the front straight. It's a really simple track, very fun track. I wish I was racing on it, but I can't. This is insane. Check out the RX-7 right now. Ready, I'll move across it. Oh man, that's so cool. Listen to the sound coming out of this NA Miata right now. That's not supposed to happen. That's so cool. So I'm actually going to have angles inside the car. However, Sam has gone one extra and he's going to put a foot cam down. So if you guys want to see the foot cam of Okachan, definitely go check out his channel and thank him for letting me stay with him as well. So hopefully we can do it again. Oh man, inside this car is just sick. I love it.
Super basic.
Hey, look, it's actually done on tight, man.
Yeah.
How good's that? This thing is, it's very simple, isn't it?
Yeah. Super simple.
Yeah.
This is his car where he wanted to pretty much drive and use what his customers always want.
Yep.
So it's a very standard setup, and he performs really well. He can do under a minute on this track with this car.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
And what's a decent lap time on this track? Probably under a minute?
Under a minute.
Yeah, right, cool.
And with something like this,
Yeah,
it's a stock 2 litre too. It's not stroked or bored or anything. Like standard head gasket, studs, running about 400 horsepower.
That's so cool. So around about the same as yours?
Yeah. It's got a bit more though because he runs race gas when he does these events. So he can increase the timing a bit more without any risk of detonation. But
yeah, just making it more reliable and
well, no, the race gas is to stop it from blowing up because it needs it a bit more, You're
right. Sam was just telling me the most important thing is making sure that this is all down and everything, because he's done the exact same thing as what Sam did, and the bonnet's actually come up and dented the roof. Not fun. This FD on these TEs right here sounds incredible. Check out the aero on the back too. Oh man. That is absolutely incredible. Far out. Alrighty, so practice has just started. I've been instructed by Sam to come and get my initial reaction at this place. It's gonna look insane. All the cars going out at the moment. There's one FD on track. And apparently... What? Oh my god! I did not realize they were going that quick. Oh, that is so beautiful. Far out. The next 2 cars lining up, so we already have an FD, we have an R35 GTR right there. See what else lines up in a second. Alright, so my suspicions were correct. So the Blue X Siren actually crashed, and I didn't actually get any of the footage there, but you can see its front bars are mangled up. They're having a little bit of an issue trying to get the hood open at the moment. But yeah, it looks like he went off into the rocks. Luckily, not too much damage. He actually managed to drive it in. Yeah, I just hope he's alright. I hope the driver's alright. Man, that's crazy. First session of the day, and this bloke was killing it. Absolutely killing it. Dude! So it looks like most of his car's fine. It looks like that's probably just checking the alignment, making sure that it hasn't been knocked out. I'm guessing it probably has. He did hit the gravel pretty hard, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully he's back out on track today, because this guy is killing it. Quick RX-8. Very cool. So all these guys in here are cheering, and they're all so happy. So this is the second time now. I'm guessing every single time they run a really good lap time here, all the teams are coming over and congratulating them. It's so incredible to see all the teams here. Like there's so many elderly people, there's so many young people here, all getting out on the track. It's just such an incredible sight to see. I am so happy to be here. Japanese people are just the nicest people I've ever met in the world. It's so incredible. Look at this, he's so happy. Oh man, that's so cool. They're so happy. Makes me so happy looking at that. I'm gobsmacked at just how incredible some of these drivers are, and just how quick their cars are, just how quick they are as drivers. This is insane. R33 GTR! Yes! Awesome Honda S2K. R32 GTR. R35 GTR. Listen to this R33. The dose on it is insane. Sounds so insane. Check out this incredible lineup of cars. The reason Aki-chan came back in was not because his car was broken, it was because he actually got the time he wanted.
Yeah, he got the time he wanted and was like, I'm done, I'm out.
And he only had like 2 practice sessions. The first one was cut short.
Yeah.
And the second one, he just got the time, so he came in like after 3 laps. Like, that's so cool. So Okachan just came up to me and showed me, which one was it? This one right here, best time. 1 minute, 0.543, and at Tsukuba Circit, that's pretty good. So in actual fact, guys, Okachan also has a channel as well, which I'll link down below, as well as Sammit's. But yeah, very, very cool. Very, very cool. Definitely go watch his videos. Oh, and also the one thing with Okachan's channel as well, it's all in Japanese. So there's subtitles and everything else there, but it's definitely a really good watch if you guys have some time. Trust me, it's a really cool channel. So if you guys remember this R33 GTR from just before, the one that sounded absolutely incredible, Sam had a quick chat to him just before. It is an RB30 stroker, stroked out to 3.4 litre, hence why it sounds so cool. What an amazing car. Man, that just sounds so incredible. Far out. Quick little update on the FDRX7, the one that crashed early this morning. Still doing some stuff to it at the moment. They pulled the entire front diffuser off. Looks like I won't be getting back out on track today, unfortunately, but it was still a very fast car for the one corner that I saw it go around. Man, I don't know how well you guys can see the interior over the far side there. There's a very, very cool interior. Insane car.
That burnout challenge, that burnout thing for 100,000 subs.
Oh, was that in this car here?
He did it in this one when I was in mine. He could only do a 10-second burnout.
Otherwise the whole car would fill up with smoke.
Footage of him just like bailing out of the car because he can't breathe.
Oh, that's hilarious.
It's seriously like the coolest car.
Yeah, yeah.
It's super basic, right? And any one of his customers can just build this, right? They, you know, you don't have to spend heaps of money to have something that's practical.
That's it. I was actually going to ask you just like a rough overview of this car, because we've already gone through the engine, sort of everything else as well, but this car is just super, super simple, yeah? Yeah,
super simple. Roll cage is one that goes in front of the dash, stitch welded every seam on the doors and stuff like that.
Yep.
Obviously, wiring loom and everything's kind of been relocated inside the car, and all the weight's been put on the left-hand side with the battery and stuff like that to try and help distribute weight. And then, yeah, just stripped out all the interior. The rear's been cut out, as you just saw.
Yep.
All the doors, everything, like, look.
All the back and
out
everything.
all the support from here to take the weight out.
Yep.
Everything. And it's just a like a seat time stallion, pretty much.
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah, because he drifts this too.
That's it.
Yeah.
And to get a time of 1 minute at this track in a car this simple is awesome.
Pretty amazing, yeah. It's all
definitely.
skill.
So what, it was a, I can't remember, it was a 1.015. 1.015. I looked at the wrong time then, because I looked at the 1.05, I think. Oh, 1.5, I think.
No,
there
1.05, which is huge.
Definitely.
When he puts the carbon doors on and strips out a bit more, and if he, I think there's one other thing he changes, he can get like 58 seconds of this. Yeah.
That's so crazy.
Yeah. But it's super simple, low mount turbo, nothing crazy.
Yep.
You know, stuff that his customers play around with all the time.
Yep.
So he wanted to prove that he could do cool stuff with it still and get good results. And
That's excellent. And he's 60.
62.
62.
Yeah. With a 3-year-old daughter.
What? Look at him over there with his orange bloody red jacket on.
Seriously, he's the biggest OG.
He is. Oh, that was really zoomed in on your face.
That's fine.
I love that. I love that. I am like fangirling over all of these sets of TE37s that are around here. Like literally there are so many of them. TE's down there on that RX-7. TE's right here. TE's on this RX-7 over here. TE's on the Hachiroku down there. TE37. TE37. Ah, why does everyone have my favorite wheels? What? That's awesome.
So many of them flying in. Come on, T7X. Please focus for me.
Yeah, Sam worrying about focus in the background. I got dual pixel,
That's
dude.
insane. Another one coming.
What? How cool is this? They're loading up Okachan's car right now onto his pink truck. How sick! This guy is so cool. Alright guys, and with the sounds of that Hachiroku right behind me, I think this video is over. I want to give you all a massive thank you for watching this video. If you want to go check out both Sam's channel and Okachan's channel as well, I'll leave the links in the description down there. They make incredible videos. Sam uploads videos every single day, and Okachan's Japanese channel literally has the coolest content about him doing drifting, time attack, everything else as well. It's all in Japanese with English subtitles. It's so cool to go check out. So yeah, definitely go have a look in the link in the description down below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'm making daily content now, and that'd be amazing if you guys were to help me out. And if you did like this video, remember to leave a like. I hope you really enjoyed this one. Anyway guys, I will see you all later. Once again, with the Hachiroku in the background. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're all having an awesome day.